Public safety is a partnership between law enforcement, communications officials, fire rescue teams, medical first responders, and the citizens they protect. But just how well do the citizens understand that partnership? Do they know what to do in an emergency? Do they know how much they count on you to keep them safe? We wanted to know. So, we asked them.
Oh boy, very good question.
First thing I do, if I am alone or in dire need of help, I'll call 911.
Dial 911, of course.
Call 911. Dial 911.
Call 911.
Call 911 and not panic.
If I'm near a phone, I'd dial 911.
911.
911.
911.
Call 911. Yeah, first grade taught me well.
When a robber's coming to steal me, I would take the phone and call 911.
911.
911.
911.
911.
What else can you do? I mean, they have access to police, ambulance, fire.
Probably go outside, sit on the grass or something, maybe call 911 if the phone's still working.
I would call 911 and have them talk me through what to do.
If you're sick or like really sick. If someone passes out, if someone gets hit by a car.
Domestic disputes.
You know, maybe they hear a gunshot.
Assault, robbery, someone may see a fight.
People getting hurt, falling down, they can't move.
Whoa, man, that'd be about 3 pages long.
They'd be in a situation that they couldn't handle.
I think if you're in doubt of whether you should dial 911, you should dial 911.
For if there's an emergency, not like to be funny or anything.
Anything that would happen that I did not know what else to do, I would call 911.
We were burning some brush on our property. Got away from us, so we had to call.
My dad had a heart attack and a stroke, so both times I had to call 911 for that.
It was a very important call. It meant the difference between my father's life and death. He's still around.
Public safety means the ability of the populace to walk the streets without undue danger of physical harm.
It's an alignment of the dispatchers, the police department, search and rescue.
I guess it ranges from just the ability to walk up and down the street safely to being able to know that if I need to have help, that there's a process to getting help in case of emergency.
I think it means information and education.
It's about people and the public safety systems working together.
Safety for everybody. Safety not only for me, but for everybody around me. And to be able to be free, and that's what America's all about, is to be free and to be safe and feel safe about it.
A while back when 911 didn't exist, you had to wait at least a good hour or 20 minutes before any authorities came around.
What would we do if there was an emergency? We'd have nobody to call. We wouldn't have anything to do.
I think it'd be pretty chaotic.
Probably be chaotic.
Total chaos.
Probably chaos.
Chaos. A lot more chaotic.
Totally chaos.
So it'd be chaos. Same way life would be like if you didn't have street signs, stop, go, people just going any kind of directions.
Crazy. Be sad. The world would be dying and burning on fire.
That would be terrible. I would say it would be terrible.
Probably something bad would be happening right now.
Well, I mean, if you don't have anyone you can call, I think, especially for the elderly or the people that can't really defend themselves as well, what do you do? I mean, you'd be living in fear.
Unfortunately, there is so much violence and crime.
If you ain't got 911,
Then who gonna protect you when you're in trouble?
If you don't have it, who would you look for help when somebody gets hurt?
Society's not perfect. It's too many problems not to have that.
It kind of prevents people from going into a panic and not being sure what to do in an emergency situation.
It saves lives. It reassures people that they have help.
So they're more important than anyone realizes.
Without 911, my dad, he could have stopped breathing, and my mom was really scared when that happened. So just want to say thank you for helping us with that.
Well, I'd say thanks a lot for your time. I'm not sure how much you're paid, but I'm sure it's not enough for the work that you do.
Thanks for all your help. You've been supportive, and the time I had to call, you were polite, courteous, and wonderful.
Well, thank you very much. I've used you guys many times, and you definitely helped me out in many situations, and I appreciate your loyalty and your work. So thank you.
Thank you very much for helping the whole world, and well, thank you.
You guys definitely provide an invaluable service, and thanks.
We're happy you're there. I know a lot of people feel that way.
Just keep doing good work.
Keep doing what you do.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot for what you do.
Thank you very much. And welcome to Baltimore.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.